Welcome students. Application software. These are set of programs developed by programmers in order to perform specific types of jobs like beautifying the documents, doing calculations, arranging data in an organized manner, making airlines and railway reservation systems, etc. Computer languages are used in creating these type of softwares. The application software can be further divided into two categories. General purpose application software. These software can perform many tasks to fulfill the general needs. Some of the example of general purpose application software are word processing software. A word processing helps us to create professional looking documents quickly and effectively. You can easily add, delete, rearrange or beautify the text and can even produce a hard copy of the document as per requirement. For example, Microsoft Word, WordPad, OpenOffice.org, Writer, etc. Electronic spreadsheet. A spreadsheet program helps you to perform calculations and display the data in the form of a chart to analyze in a better way. It is used for creating documents to manage and organize numerical data. Some of its applications areas are financial accounting, cost analysis, and interest calculation. Example, Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, etc. DBMS, Database Management System. Each one of us uses database unknowingly in our daily routine. For example, managing telephone directories, payroll information, etc. Database software helps us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized manner. You can easily create, add, find, update, sort, search, print and retrieve the information stored in a database. For example, Microsoft Access, OpenOffice.org Base, Fox Pro, Oracle, etc. Presentation software. Presentation software is used to present an idea or concept in a lively manner. This software helps you to create and display slides on a computer or on a projector for business and educational purpose. It lets you create slides, charts, animation and video clips. Examples: Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice.org Impress, Adobe Flash, etc. Desktop publishing software. This application helps you to combine both text and graphic features to design professional documents like newsletters, printed forms, advertisement, books, brochures, posters, magazines, etc. Examples: CorelDRAW, Adobe InDesign, etc. Graphic softwares is used to create image such as charts, graphics, photographs, logos, cartoons and much more. Example: Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD, Dreamweaver, etc. Multimedia software is used to create videos, animation, sound, graphics and text with a high degree of interactions. Example: game softwares, window media players, window movie maker, etc. Special purpose application software. Software which are designed to meet the specific need of any user are called specific purpose application software. Example: Tele, Busy, etc. Such software are also known as customized software. Some of the customized software are as follows: reservation systems, billing system, payroll system, etc. With this, we are finished with the chapter. Thank you and stay at home.